Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my name is Maharani Dian Kumala. Name 2063197 from Espan Nursing C. Here I will discuss a little about some disorders related to blood. Blood is a fluid found in a living things that function to send substance and oxygen needed by body tissue, transporting chemicals from metabolism, and also as the body defense against virus or bacteria. Blood contains blood plasma, red blood cells, white blood cells, and platelets. Blood disorders are disorders that occur in one or more parts of the blood so that is affect the amount and function. Blood disorders can be acute or chronic. Some blood disorders that affect red blood cells. Number one is anemia. Anemia occurs when red blood cells levels are very low, either due to excessive bleeding, iron deficiency, or vitamin B12 deficiency. In severe enoch anemia, the patient will look pale, tired easily, and often short of breath. Number two is polycythemia. Polycythemia is a type of blood disorder caused by blood disorders. Blood becomes too thick because the bone marrow produces too many red blood cells. This condition can increase the risk of blood clots, stroke, and heart attacks. Next, some blood disorders that affect white blood cells including number one is leukemia. Leukemia is a form of blood cancer in which white blood cells become malignant and are produced in excess in the bone marrow. Unfortunately, the exact cause of this condition is not known. Number two is lymphoma. Lymphoma is a blood cancer that develops in the lymph system. The white blood cells in people with lymphoma become malignant, spread abnormally, and multiply uncontrollably. And next, some blood disorders in platelets and blood clotting process. Number one is idiopathic thrombocytopenic purpura or ITP. ITP is an autoimmune disorder that lowers the number of platelets. Patients will bruise easily or may experience excessive bleeding to the low number of platelets in the body. It is not known exactly what triggers the emergency of these autoimmune disorders. And number two is hemophilia. Hemophilia is a blood clotting disorder caused by an inherited genetic disorder. This condition results in low amount of proteins known as blood clotting factor. The bleeding can occur suddenly inside or outside the body. Because it's constant of different types, treatment effort, prevention, and complication of blood disorders are very diverse. Therefore, the treatment of this disease will be adjusted to the underlying cause with early diagnosis and treatment. Complication and recurrence of blood disorders can be avoided. That's all I can say. Hopefully, it can add to your knowledge about some disorders related to blood. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.